Hello students, in this video we are going to study about atomic masses. So basically here are two terms that we will be studying in this video. First is atomic mass unit, and the second term we have is electron volt. So we have to study about these two terms, and we also have to find the relation between these two. So first let's start with atomic mass unit. So to give or to express the mass of atoms, there is a need to choose a convenient unit for the purpose. Initially, when we start giving atomic masses, so for the mass of atoms, for expressing that mass, it was the need to choose a convenient unit for it, and that unit is defined by taking mass of carbon 12 atom equal to 12 atomic mass unit. So to define this atomic mass unit, it was taken that the mass of carbon 12 atom is equal to 12 atomic mass unit, and according to that, if we rearrange this, we get 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1 upon 12 mass of carbon 12 atom. So from here we can define the definition of 1 atomic mass unit. So 1 atomic mass unit is defined as the 1 by 12th of the actual mass of carbon 12 atom. We denote this 1 atomic mass unit by, it is denoted by AMU, or just by writing U. This is how we can denote 1 atomic mass unit, and 1 AMU is equal to 1 by 12 of mass of carbon 12 atom, which is equal to 1.992678 into 10 to the power minus 26 kilograms. So this is the value for 1 atomic mass unit, and the answer for 1 AMU is 1.660565 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. So this is the answer for 1 atomic mass unit. This is the value in kilograms for 1 atomic mass unit. Now we can express different masses like mass of electron, proton, neutron in terms of 1 atomic mass unit or in terms of AMU. So let's see how can we define that. So mass of electron in kilograms, we have 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 kilogram, and by using this relation, if we convert it into AMU, we get 0.00055 AMU. This is the mass of electron. Similarly, mass of proton is 1.6726 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilograms, and in AMU it is 1.0073 AMU. This conversion can be done by using this relation. And mass of neutron is 1.6749 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram. This is equal to 1.0086 AMU. Now, as we know mass of electron, proton, neutron, we can also find the mass of hydrogen atom using this, since we know that mass of hydrogen atom is equal to the mass of proton it has plus mass of electron it has. Okay, if it is 1H1, then the number of neutron for it is 0. There is no neutron, so it has 1 proton, 1 electron. That's why by adding these two, mass of proton and mass of electron, we can get the mass of hydrogen atom, which is equal to 1.0078 AMU. Now the second term that we have to define is electron volt. We write it by EV, and it is defined as the energy acquired by an electron when it is accelerated through a potential difference of 1 volt. So electron volt is a unit of energy, and it is defined as the amount of energy that is acquired by an electron when it is accelerated through a potential difference of 1 volt. So electron volt is the energy acquired by an electron when it is accelerated through a potential difference of 1 volt, right? And we denote it by 1 ev, and its value in terms of joule is 1 ev is equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. If we write it in the terms of 1 MeV, that is 1 million electron volt, it will be equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 13 joule. Basically 1 MeV means 10 to the power 6 electron volt, because 10 to the power 6 is 1 million. So 1 MeV is 10 to the power 6 eV, which is equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 13 joules. Now let's set up a relation between AMU and MEV. So AMU is a unit of mass, MEV is a unit of energy, and by Einstein's mass energy equivalence we know that E is equal to mc square, right? So this relation shows that energy content of an object is equal to the mass times of square of its speed, that means m into c square. And to find the energy equivalent to one atomic mass unit, we can take m is equal to 1 AMU. So if we take m is equal to 1 AMU, then the energy we get will be equivalent to this much mass. So 1 AMU means 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilograms. If we put this value in this relation, then we get E is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilograms into the value for C is, its approximate value is 3 into 10 to the power 8, but its exact value is 2.998 into 10 to the power 8, then C square. So this much energy in joule we will get, that is equivalent to the mass 1 AMU. So the energy that is equivalent to 1 AMU mass is this much joules. Now let's convert it into electron volts. Then we get 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 into 2.998 into 10 to the power 8 का square upon 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 electron volts. And if we solve it, we get energy approximately is equal to 931 MeV, right? So this is the answer. 931 is in MeV. So 1 AMU is equal to the energy 931 MeV. This is the relation, that 1 AMU is equal to 931 MeV. That's the relation between atomic mass unit and the energy in million electron volts or electron volts. So that's all for the video. For further videos, stay tuned and keep studying. Thank you.